Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I am going to be cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. I hope that you enjoy this video and I hope that it gives you some motivation to get some cleaning done. So as you can tell, my refrigerator is in dire need of some serious cleaning. We have leftovers in here from Thanksgiving and just all kinds of different kinds of food that I'm pretty sure is no good anymore. And so I'm just going to be taking everything out of the freezer. That's where I'm going to be starting. I'm going to take absolutely everything out of the freezer and reorganize everything. So now I'm about to wipe everything down. I am just going to be using some Clorox spray. This is the best thing to use to get everything nice and clean. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela. I make videos on pretty much anything related to mommy life. So if you like these type of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm just going to wash all the containers and I'm going to place them back in the freezer. Now I'm just going to check the expiration dates and throw anything that's no longer good away, and I am going to reorganize the freezer. Now I am going to do exactly everything that I did to the other side to this side of the refrigerator. You guys, it really doesn't look like it's that bad, but it was nasty. It was pretty gross, and I was like just trying to scrub everything off of this part of the refrigerator. Now I'm just going to clean the outside of the refrigerator. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!